Hello everyone, Styles by Lailani is here, bringing you the natural styles of life. And right now I am filling up my, I'm sorry about that, I heard a noise. I had to identify that with my ears, but it was the TV. So I'm filling up my alcohol so that I can stamp my bar of cold processed soap. Okay. Hello everyone, Styles by Lailani is here, bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are stamping our soap bar. So here's my stamp. I sprayed it with my 91% alcohol. And now I'm stamping my bar. And you want to kind of rock it front to back so that you don't mess up the stamp, you know what I mean? Like if I was just to pull it up, it would just not be as perfect like that. It would be like gappy and letters missing and so on and so forth. So that is the reason you want to kind of like rock it back and forth. So when I get done with this, I will be prepping to make another soap. So on a previous video, I was talking about how I was recycling my cotton candy twist soap bar, because the vanillin and the fragrance oil I used, it discolored. So I didn't know it was I knew it was gonna discolor, but not to that extent. So I really didn't go heavy on the titanium dioxide to whiten up my color. But the fragrance held. It's just the fact that it discolored so much. To me, in my opinion, it's just not pretty anymore. So would y'all like to see a bar again? What do y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know what you think about my bar soap. And are you on your way to come and get it from StylesbyLailani.com? So, how's everyone's day going? Is it super cold where you guys are? Because today it has warmed up. It has made it up to 22 degrees here in Chicago. So, yay for us, because we were just down to like -13. It was super, super cold in here. Well, not in here, but here in Chicago. So, this was just a quick little video, y'all. I mean, stamping my soap. Just thought y'all might want to see it, you know. See how I get those beautiful stamps on my soap boards, okay? So, y'all, I'm about to head out and make this soap, okay? I have to drop some packages off. Yeah, I got a lot to do, so make sure y'all smash that like button. Comment down below. Your girl needs some of her oil on her hands. They is dry, baby. But anyway, that's that hand sanitizer and the soap. Dries it out. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Come to StylesbyLailani.com and get y'all all natural bath and body care from moi. Thank you. Bye.